This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Leon McDaniel. Sold as is, this home has been a reliable rental property for the past 22 years. Recent updates include brand new windows, installed December 2024, and fresh interior/exterior paint, 2024. Located just 4 blocks from Merritt Island High School and conveniently close to local restaurants, doctors' offices, and the public library. Great opportunity for investors or buyers looking to add personal touches. For more information, review the details below or contact Leon McDaniel at 321-480-0548.